Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a grocery haul with y'all and a fridge and pantry restock. So this is what I purchased from Sam's Club and H-E-B. So we're going to start with the H-E-B order. So I got some of my favorite Starbucks breakfast blend coffee, some chicken nuggets. I got some buns for some barbecue chicken that I'm going to be trying out, and some lemon pepper rotisserie chicken. These are some of the ingredients I need for a broccoli salad that I was going to try out. I got some dried cranberries. We have broccoli. We also have garlic salt, garlic powder, some of that ground mustard, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, some pecans, a bunch cans of corn, which that is not for the salad or anything, that's just what I needed, some cheese, ham, flour tortillas, some strawberries, blueberries, some lemon juice, vinegar, this is for the chicken, and I got some creamer, some apple cider vinegar, which is for the broccoli salad, some more butter, also have some bacon back there, some cheese dogs, some cheese, there's horseradish right there as well, which I forgot to show y'all, some pasta sauce, some pickles, and then a couple gallons of milk, some mayonnaise and honey, and of course some eggs. So that is everything from H-E-B. Now I'm going to share what I got from Sam's Club. So we have some baked potato chips, some bread, some corn tortillas, some avocados, these garden veggie puffs, mac and cheese, these caramello chocolates, they looked really good, these Honest Kids juice boxes, some strawberry frosted flakes, some breakfast essentials like the chocolate shake, some of that OxyClean, some yogurts, Slim Jims, bananas. I got some shorts for Ileana. We have some frosted mini wheats. Also grabbed some of these snack packs. These looked really good. Also have some Lunchables, some fruit gushers, some beef taquitos, and then we have a bunch of cheese, some orange juice. I grabbed the girls a couple of books, and then on this side we have another book and then some toilet paper. So that was everything. So now we're going to work on getting all of this put up. So this time around, I did not grab any meats. We were still pretty stocked up from last time. But now that I have all the cold items put away, I'm going to work on getting everything put up in the pantry. So if y'all have seen my past grocery hauls, y'all know that I used to only shop at H-E-B, and I recently started doing both H-E-B and Sam's Club and still spending about the same amount. And this has really helped me stay better stocked up in food. Usually by the time that it was time for my next grocery order, we were completely out of everything. And as you can see here, like, we are still pretty stocked up in snacks and things like that. And I don't know why I didn't do it sooner, but I have definitely enjoyed doing it this way better. Like I said, the price is still the same. I am able to buy bulk in Sam's Club and then just buy some of the little things that I need at H-E-B. But that's it for today's video. Please make sure and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed already. And I will see y'all next week with a brand new video.